Hey y'all, it's Alicia here, and I am back with a video, and this is a review of a competition show off of Netflix, and this is the Big Family Cooking Showdown. So this has several different families. You have over a couple of weeks on this show, and what we're seeing different cooks. Now this is a British show. Let me just remind y'all this is a British show, and I actually like this show. This is like my go-to thing when I can't find something on TV. This is what I'm gonna go and watch, or something else. But this is a good show. You have, oh my god, that Anna Bowley Youngs, one of my favorite. Yeah, so the guy from that one, he's in the first. You have the first lead segment. You have a lot of different nationalities that's part of the show, and you get to see different types of food and everything. You see of who can make sweets. You got sweet and savory. I mean, it's a pretty good show. I would give it. So if I can rate this is a straight up 10 stars because the food looks delicious. The techniques, you get to see the techniques and how they go by and do it. You have, so it's 2 seasons. So the judges are different for each, for season. So let me go and see. So it's 2 seasons, like I said. So let me see. So first season, you have about 12 episodes, and all together you have Rosemary Slater, Giorgio Alicio, Naira Huston, Zoe Bell, Tim Banks, and Angelica Bell. Oh my god, these are some pretty good characters and everything. Like I said, this is a British show. This is a reality competition show. Family, you can watch with your family. It's all about family, and it's cooking and traveling. So yeah, you have that. I mean, if you're a foodie and you like competition shows, this is a show. Like if you liked it Top Chef when it was on, then yes, you will like this. Now, all of the food is so interesting. Like from the first, the one from the first season that really, I think the first 2 episodes of both seasons is the $10 challenge. And the $10 challenge, take $10. You only can buy food that is, you're making food out of $10. So whatever you get for the $10, you have to get is only for $10. So yeah, I mean, some of the stuff turned out pretty good. So you have that particular challenge. Let me see. I think for the finale, it actually was a pretty good. You have your dessert challenges, like I'm saying. You have the $10 challenge, $10 brunch, $10 meal. We get to see different techniques. We get to see how they do their interpretation of certain things. So yeah, so that is going. This is a good show. I think everybody would love. So y'all, if you love videos like this and you like that, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.